SERV, stock analysis and SERV, stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. You know, I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for over 5 years and 45,000 videos have been made. So I've had proof of everything. It's on my YouTube channel and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with SERV Robotics. 13% up is sick. Because, you know, look here, you know, I was looking to milk it up. I got a win and then 2 break-evens. And the price crashed and I was still looking to double down, which I never got rules met there. Got a quick little win here though, but because the price now it's pumping, no doubt about it, I'm looking to position myself in a potential long. This would only make sense if it pulls down just a tiny bit more, and then from there, if there's that shift, I would look to freaking take advantage of it and then buy. Other than that, man, really this is all pure noise, like pure noise. I really would not care. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce and all that, just click the first link in the description. It's free, and I will obviously continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.